going up? There you go. Under customer,
Yep.
I put it there. Yeah, I have it.
And have you already added in the base UOM?
Base GM, no, I haven't added. So where should I add it? Under product,
So,
maybe?
Yeah, that should be grouped under product.
Product. Let me add that. 0 base underscore UM.
I don't think there's an underscore. Just, I think, yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah. Oh, there is an underscore. Yeah. So that is in product. Okay. So now, all right, perfect. So try to delete it now. Try to delete the non-key fields.
Right. And now, do you think it will allow me to?
Most likely will.
Okay. Now, okay, I have saved. If I try to delete, improvement, delete info objects, fields, and groups.
Okay. So go back to let's see.
This is a part of my ADSO.
Okay, so with all the fields that you've moved, did you change them to info object or did you just leave it as field? Munir? Munir? Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sorry, my internet problem.
That's okay. So when you've moved them to the folders, did you change the field to info object or did you just leave it as field?
I add it as an info object, not as field.
Okay, no. Click on order number.
Order number, yeah.
I just want to check something. Okay, so just leave. Because it says in the guide that you need to change the technical names of the info objects. So you need to change it to field. You need to change it to info object instead of field. So you know how in the identify part on the right hand side, it's showing as field at the moment. So you need to change that to info object in order for the system to recognize it as an info object.
Okay, this one for order number.
Let me just reread this again to see if you have to add everything in. Okay, groups. Yeah, so it says in the guide that keep in mind to change the identify into info object and then select the right info object for them. So you gotta change let me just double check my one. So I'm pretty sure you gotta have to change everything into info object instead of field. And then once you've changed that, you will be able to delete the non-key fields.
Non-key field. Okay, so you're saying you're seeing my screen, right?
Yeah.
So order
right
number,
now,
I should change it to info object. You're saying?
Let me just double check my one. Are you on? This is on key figures. Is that correct?
No, this is order number.
No. I mean, give me a second. Okay. Yeah. So change that to info object. Change everything to info object.
Everything to info object. Okay. But then it's here. I should find an info object right here.
Yeah. So you know how in the guide it's so once you've changed to info object, it will tell you to browse for that particular info object, and that's how you will correlate the info object to that particular field name, the group. I can't see your screen.
You can't?
It's like it's grayed out.
Is it better now?
Yep.
So if I have to change it to info object.
So right now, what you need, if you want to delete unit of measure and currency, Your main aim is just to change our currency has already been changed. Your base of units has already been changed as well. Yeah, so you got to change the rest of them to info object. Then that's how you'll be able to delete it.
No, but if I have to use it as info object, then I need to search an info object inside the system, either pre-delivered or by UCC.
No,
right?
Okay, so so in the guide itself, for order number and order item, these two fields, there are no corresponding info objects for them. So you would just leave them as is. Yeah. So
Okay.
so for the rest of them, which is customer, product, time, and all the so customer, product, sales date, sales quantity, the rest of them you will change it to info object.
Okay. Product and info object would be my material number. Oh, okay. The
Correct.
RV2. I can use my RV2 also. Right?
Yeah. So whatever correlates with your product. So usually,
So I have my product is my material basically.
Yep. Your product is the material info object.
And yes.
The sales date should be the calendar day.
Customer would be, I think, I can use pre-delivered customer, I think.
So customer is customer by UCC.
Okay, by UCC, right?
Yep.
Or maybe so customer. Let me search. I have many pre-delivered. I can use this one, right?
It's MU1.
MU1. Okay, I'll use that. So 2 done. So my product and customer done. What else?
So then you will need to do your sales date, which is by calendar day. So sales that you will need to search it by SAP. So it starts with 0.
Okay. 0.
Yep.
Cal.
Yep.
And
calendar day. Yep, the first one.
First one. Okay.
And sales quantity.
But it is not matching, or what is happening? It is day. We're trying to match date with day, which is, I think, a little bit problematic.
I'm sorry?
Because we're trying to match date with day, which is a little bit problematic because here day is 2-digit, but my date is type that's length 8, which is inconsistent.
It's inconsistent.
Yeah.
For you?
Yeah.
Well, what I did was I just followed whatever the guide told me to do, the instructions. So I just changed it as how it is. I left it as how it is. You can, if you want to change the length of the sales day, you can change it later.
Okay.
Yeah, but for now, if you want to get past this process, you will need to change the rest of them. So let's see.
Right. So I think date, it's not showing me at the moment. It's showing me only the sales org, I think. Sales org, I have it already.
That's fine. Scroll down. Okay. Sales org, that's fine.
Now let me save.
No, you still got sales date down there as a field, so you still need to change that.
Which one? Sales date.
Yep. So sales date, revenue, and sales quantity, you need to change.
Okay. So which one would be the
sales date? It's like I told you before. It's calendar day.
No, but then it was throwing error actually.
Or showing you the error.
This one is not working. Calendar day is not a matching one. You're not getting my point. Calendar day is 2, length is 2, but my sales date length is 8. Yeah. So that's the problem.
So are you going to change your dates?
Maybe I should say sales date or something. No, sorry. There is nothing called sales date. Which one did you use? Can you check yours?
Yeah, I used the calendar day.
Calendar day, and it worked for you?
Yeah, it just went through for me. It didn't prompt an error. So maybe
But then why is it not cal day? If I say cal day,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's fine. You just leave it for now.
no, but there is an error. What is it saying? The information already
It says it's already contained in the. Let's see.
Which one is contained?
Did you already have it somewhere else?
No, I don't have. I have these calendar year, month, date.
Yep. So that you see calendar date on top.
Yeah. Calendar year, month, and calendar day.
Yeah. So calendar day, that's the duplicate of sales date.
This is okay. It is of length 8. So
yeah, so delete
0
that
cal
one.
day. Now it is showing me any problem without any error. Oh, so letting me save. Let me check. ADSO cannot be successful.
Because you have two calendar days. You need to delete one of them. So delete the one.
Okay,
delete that calendar day. Yep.
Okay. Save it. Oh, relief, I think.
All right. So then scroll down. You're going to do the rest of them. So cost in USD would be delivered by UCC.
And it will be, I think, the cost of goods manufactured and something like that, you know?
I would believe so. Just double check.
Cost
of... Can you assign me breakout room number 3 with Ira?
Yes, sure. Who's Simran?
Simmerpreet, yes.
Okay. One second. Simmerpreet to Ira. Ira, where are you?
She's in number 3.
Number 3. Done. Okay. So cost of goods manufactured. Cost of goods manufactured, I think, right?
It's by UCC, so it should be MU1.
COGM.
Yep.
Okay. COGM. Okay. Net sales.
That's fine.
I already have it.
Discount. It's also UCC.
All right. Discount. I think it should be MU1.
Yep.
I'll search from there. Remember. MU1. Discount.
All right, that's good. Revenue
is a field, yeah.
So whatever you created in revenue.
I created, yes. I have my own.
Yep.
So we do rev 048 should work. Yeah, it worked.
And sales quantity is whatever you've created as well.
Sales quantity, I think I created QTY 048. Yep. And pretty much that's it. I think we are almost done. Okay. And save it. Now it should let me delete it.
Yeah, just double check that you've changed most of them to
the number. I haven't changed order number.
That's fine. The order number and order item should remain as filled because there's no
key fields. Those two are key fields basically.
Yeah, so those two will remain as filled.
Yeah.
So check if everything else you've changed to info object.
Yep, looks fine now. Yeah.
Just scroll down. Okay, so your sales date is not yet changed, so change that to.
Sales did not change it. I did it, but didn't save it. Okay, done.
All right, beautiful. You should be able to delete it now. If
Now,
you can't delete it after this, I have no idea.
let me try my luck. Oh, wonderful! It does.
Yeah. Okay, you can delete
It
it.
does. Now
Okay.
it let me delete.
All right, that's good.
Okay. So now I should be able to activate. Oh my God. Done. Cool. Cool. All right. Okay. So I'm at ADOSA level. How is it going for others, guys? Guys, for others, how is it going?
Yes, my group is fine.
Fine.
Yeah. Are we able to leave the tutorial, or do you need to get assistance?
Moni, can you repeat what Shao has done to delete from the beginning, if it's okay?
Yeah, sure. Okay. I'll just repeat. I'll tell you what all I did. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you take the roll? Sorry, some
Yeah.
of us need to
Yes,
go
sure.
and for another
Okay.
session.
We'll finish the roll call. Okay, guys, closing all breakout room for roll call. And closing all breakout room. All.
Hi, Modi. Are you pushing out everyone from breakout room?
No, for roll call, just
Okay.
and then you can rejoin. Just finish the roll call quickly, and then you can continue until 9 o'clock. I'm not losing. Sam is there. I know. Alicia is never there. Ira is there. Milan, are you there still?
Yes,
Milan?
Munir, I'm here.
Oh, okay. Chenhoy is there. Harshit? Harshit? Okay. Rohan?
Yes, Munir.
Rahul?
Present, Munir.
Okay. Rashmi?
Yes, Monir, can you put me and Akshay into the breakout room again?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let you go. I think you should be able to join already. I didn't.
No.
I just.
Actually, we were at
You
the
were?
beginning, but
Yeah.
the session
we were
was
thrown out. Yeah.
finished.
Oh, okay.
Thrown out, yep.
Okay. Can you join now? Akshay and Rasmi, I'll give your attendance. Okay. Then who else? Like Rashmi. Kavin, are you there? Kavin?
Yes, Moni.
Okay, Kavin. Ahmed? Are you there, Ahmed? No. Nikita? Swati? I remember Swati is there. Zishan?
I'm here, Swati.
Swati, yeah, I gave you attendance.
Yeah.
Nikita is not there.
Yeah.
Nikita, are you there? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Uvindi?
Here, Munir.
Okay. Henry?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Jason? Sebastian is there. Simaprit is there. Akhil? Himel? Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Imran? There. Danish?
Yes, Munir. Imran here.
Okay, I gave you attendance. Danish, are you there? No. Kurbanov? No? Okay. Pavi?
Yes, Monir.
Nalita,
Yes, Monir.
Sahiti,
Yes.
Yash, okay, he was there. Kavya,
Yes, I'm there, Monir.
Sally,
Yes.
Ronald, Naga,
Yes, Munir.
okay, Ojisa, Hina,
Yes, Monir.
okay, Ali Raza, Victor is there, Sahib,
Yes, Munir.
okay, Tharu,
I'm here.
okay, Maitri, no, Sahil,
Yes,
okay.
yes, Moni, Sahil.
Sahil, are you there? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Gulshandeep? No.
Victor is
Naren?
here.
Naren? Naren, are you there?
Did you mark me, Monir, Victor?
Victor, yes, I did.
Okay, thank you.
Naren is not there. Sifak was there. Are you there, Sifak, now?
Money, what about my name?
Yeah, I gave you attendance already.
Thank you, Money.
Yeah. Usman? Chow is there. Akshay is there. Harika is there. Usman is not there. So, okay. Done. You can join your breakout room and continue. In the meantime, I'll try to proceed to the next one. So what I did, I'll just give you the part which I did. Guys, you wanted to know how to delete those two non-key fields?
Can
Which
we
are,
leave the session now?
yes, if you want. If you want, you can. But
Okay,
if you
thank you.
switched on until 9 o'clock, until 6, and then if in case somebody would like to, seek further help, then I can stay back and stretch for another half an hour or 1 hour.
Okay, thank you.
But if you have any class or something, or you are done, or maybe you want to do free time, maybe you can continue, go home or whatever.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. So who wanted to know what I did? Basically, as part of my DSO, I had to create 5 groups: measure, time, customer, product, and order. And then basically rearranging and grouping those already defaulted fields, already defaulted dimensions and key figures appropriately into different groups that we just created. And then we had to add some additional enrichment field, calendar year, month, and day, and as soon as and then more importantly, every field, every dimension and key figures should be appropriately linked to by going visiting every. So let's say this way. I'll show you one example here. So material should be linked to my identify as info object, should be linked to the pre-delivered either info object, pre-delivered info object by SAP or pre-delivered by UCC, or your own customized info objects. So in my case, for my material, this is the info object that I created, so I had to link it. So each one of them, you'll have to link it basically. And so, and base unit of measurement, SAP, I think this one is pre-delivered by UCC. UCC pre-delivered unit of measurement, base unit of measurement. This is the one added, and one more is called zero currency. These two also to be added as info objects. So you
Excuse me, Monir.
Yeah.
Actually, I got a problem with V2 workshop. Yep. Can you help us to resolve that?
Sure. Okay.
Yep. I will share my screen. Yep.
Press me, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Share your screen now. I'll stop sharing. Okay.
We can't see your screen, Rashmi, yet. Now we can. Yep.
Can you see?
Yeah. Okay.
So we are getting the error in like here. It should all be green, right?
PSA
When
maintenance.
we click the PSA maintenance.
Right. Can you drag your this SAP screen a little bit up? I understand you're using University Virtual Desktop, right? Looks like.
Yeah.
Can you drag it a little bit up? That SAP screen? Yeah. By mouse, you can drag it. The entire screen.
Yep.
A little more up. Okay. And resize it, maximize it. Okay. Cool. Okay. So give me the control. And what did you do? How did you arrive at this error? What went wrong, in your opinion? I'm trying to understand to save time.
That's okay. So Moni, what happened was we were not able to create the info object for sales data DEGR051. So by mistake, I think we created sales data US under sales data DEGR051, but it should be sales data DE. So we started creating sales data DE now, but then that is where info package gave us an error with the PSA maintenance. So my question was, is there a way we could delete these sales data US and sales data DE?
Yes, you
sales
can.
data DEGR051?
You can, and I would always say better to delete and redo it fresh without.
Yeah.
That's
Can we
the
know how
best
to
strategy.
delete it?
Yeah. So what you do?
We tried.
You have your transformation already. This is your info package. This is your info package. You are here. I would like to do it again rather than fixing it. So let me. This one, it won't let you delete, is it?
No, because it's not active, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, but it's not active.
Okay.
We also
actually, Munir, if we can rename this sales data US to DE, is there any way to rename it? Then
this is your info package. What is it?
Because the problem was that we forgot to rename it. And then now.
No, you can. Renaming is easy. It's not a problem, but I think if you have other errors, inconsistencies due to mistakes or something, then it is, and if it is getting updated in the database level or the data structure level, then it is difficult to fix that. Then.
So what we can do is we'll see if we rename it, and then we will try to process it. And if it's not working, then we'll start doing again.
Okay.
So we need to know how to rename and how to delete both.
So this one is okay. I would say change.
You can minimize that. Like drag it to the left.
Drag it a little up there.
No, it can't go up because it's a workspace.
Okay. Better to delete it. and recreate it. It's a lot easy.
Currently locked by user.
Is that same user? It's called self-locking. Is a common problem in SAP. Have you saved you? Okay, so let's reopen it fresh. See if that solves the problem. So you had problem with the US one, right? Or the D one, right?
We had a problem with D. Yep.
D1 because the name is different. Oh, it's
Okay. And how does it look like? Everything is all right with this. And why did you say this one? I think this is not allowed or allowed. 1 minute. I'll check this one quickly.
I can take it for you.
I think as per the document, it's not allowed. It's all right.
Yep.
Matching. Okay.
Yep.
Separate, everything. Okay. And load data now. And I think we'll have to do this part matching those data type and the length. Okay. And then you save it. After saving it, then you go and saving and activating it, and then you will be able to preview it. So match all these data type and the length as per the B2 document. Yep. And then activate it, then go to fields. You will see all those data type amendments, data type and length amendments reflecting under this tab. Thereafter, you preview the data, and then since you have already activated, then you are done. Following which, you will go and say create info package. Can you repeat that now?
Yeah.
After that. So first, you'll have to now, first thing, go and match these as per the document, data type and length.
Yep.
I know it's a little bit of work, but yes.
That's okay. We can do it here. If you've got other students to look into, just have a look at them. That's okay. But until then, we'll just do it here. Is that okay?
You want to do it here? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to look into it. If you've got other students, if you have their questions, then you can address to them. That's okay.
Okay. And it was, I think, I remember this. First one was external.
I think the length was 555. Order number length is 555.
External, and then all numC, I remember, right? 6, and all right. And this one is again numC, if I remember it correctly. That's it. First 3 is matching, and then You shouldn't be making any mistakes, so better be slow than making mistake, you know. Yes. Okay, the fourth one. Okay, product. It should be character 18. Remember? Yes or no? Check.
Yep.
You can tell me. And sales quantity is quantity, and
product is character 18. Yes.
Product is character 18, and sales quantity.
Sales quantity is 15.
15. Okay.
The corresponding unit field is unit of measure.
15 and
yep.
Unit of
and
measure is already
revenue
there.
and discount is 17 and 2.
Okay. Page down. Okay. It's a warning. I think I can override. So unit of measurement.
Revenue and currency is 17 and 2.
NUMC, is it?
Type is CURR.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Revenue and discount is CURR. Yep.
And
17 and 2.
17 and 2.
Yeah, discount is 2.
Decimal points 2, total 19. And currency, let it be. Page down.
Revenue is 13, right? So I think it's output is 13.
The revenue is 17.
Oh, sorry. Go to up. Some. No, not this part. Sorry. Discount. CURR. 17. 2. Total 19. And this one is
DEC.
DEC.
And it's 17 and 2. Yeah, 17 and 2.
2. 19.
That is that. Yep.
That is all right.
Yeah, and then our SDAT. Yep.
And all these should be external, I think, to my understanding, right? All of these are external, right? Check.
I can't see external. Hang on a sec. Do you know, Rashmi, if it is external?
Yeah, all of it are external to my knowledge. 1 second, I can match. First one is external, and revenue onwards all external. Rest are internal. So revenue onwards all external. So this one should be external.
Hello, hi Munir.
Hi.
Munir,
Any luck, Ira?
Munir, see, one thing is working and the other one is not working. So Chow said she can't help me anymore. Is Sally there? Maybe she can
No, I'll check.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll check. Wait. So this one go up a little bit. Very clumsy, this one. Very clumsy.
Yeah, it's all good. Last or all
All
external.
good. Revenue onwards, all external, right? So cumbersome. Okay. And save. Yes. And then let's see how whether it is reflecting correctly all my changes here or not. Revenue external first one. And here I should have currency.
Currency.
Yeah.
And then the one below currency. Yes.
Yeah. as well. Yeah. And save my work and saved. Let's attempt to activate. I don't have any error. I have one warning which I can override.
Yep.
Did you last attempt, did you create DTP and loaded the data? No, right? Not yet, right? So it's not there in my PSA. No, I mean say DTP, not data source and info package. Because if that is the case, then I should delete the data first from the PSA. Okay, let's see whether it's loading. It's able to show my data in preview mode. Hopefully. No further data. Okay, so why it's not able to show preview? And this kind of inconsistencies, if you make mistake and try to make modifications and try to reactivate and see in this edited version, it basically doesn't work that way. Now, can you go to your this thing here? You don't have your data source. Oh, you reached up to this level, is it?
Yeah, we did up to B5, half.
Then you'll have to delete from HANA Studio as well. I didn't know that. So
Murray, why do we need to delete this one?
the reason being, in your last attempt, system generated table sum structures, underlying table sum structure with incorrect columns, or let's say data type, or let's say length, and then you're fixing it all over again. And then you loaded data as well with info package. You basically load the data into PS. So if you don't delete after correction, it won't, the changes won't be in effect.
Yeah. Now we
So
have
data
to
must be, so data must be deleted first. Okay, let me try if this works or not. No further data available, is saying, right? So ideally, you should be deleting all the subsequent objects for that. Let's say you create a data flow and all the downstream objects for that preceding object, and if you need to revisit any preceding object, ensure that you delete all the subsequent downstream objects.
Okay.
And then you revisit, and I would ideally say, I would recommend ideally you delete everything and do it fresh, because here it's always causing problem here. Now see here, it can't preview my data. And I think it.
Is it because it hasn't refreshed or something now?
It's not about refresh because I changed the structure. You remember I changed the. I deleted the info package.
Yes.
This is your D data, right? Okay, and then now I have to see. Regardless, I'll go ahead and create info package. Say RV2. The number is 051. Say info package for sales data D. This one. Save. Extraction. Let's try. And and one more thing.
Yep.
This path doesn't work. I remember. It should be your C drive or D drive. I remember.
Yeah, it is. It is a C drive in the workspace, virtual machine.
I'll tell you what I wanted to tell you.
Okay.
See here. I remember your path should be from C, then go to user, then your student ID, and where is the file? On the desktop?
Yeah.
Is it on the desktop or no?
It's in downloads.
In downloads. So this downloads, and I don't see that. It should be somewhere. So path should be something like this. You got my point?
Okay.
You should be C user, user, then student ID, and somewhere either download or desktop.
So I think in that
park your or else it doesn't work. To my knowledge, I have faced this problem.
Okay.
So can you park your data file?
Yep.
Here or here? Can
Yep.
you do it now?
Yep. Can Rashmi take a control, please?
Yep. How do I do that?
So go to desktop.
No, not from here. Go to directly to desktop.
Copy
Close it. Cancel.
No. Okay.
Or maybe copy from
here.
Here
You can copy from here. So copy.
Copy. Right click and copy.
So that's US. We need Germany.
US. You need Germany. The next one. Yeah. That's the one.
Right click. Copy.
Okay.
Right click is not working.
No, I copied.
Oh, you copied it.
You
okay.
copied.
Desktop. PC. No. And the drive actually.
Okay. So go to look into.
1 minute. 1 minute. Let me take this. I wanted you to place it. Let's say this place.
Yep.
Can I now paste it here?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I meant. And this path, see this? Yep. It generated this path. This path does work. The other one doesn't work for some reason. Perhaps because it is not treated as a workstation, local workstation. And this should ideally be part of your data. So I'll cancel this. I'll copy that path. and I'll say cancel because this is I was about to create info package.
But that's okay, right? We can
No, because ideally it should be defaulting from my data source into info package automatically. It's SAP that way. No, I don't want to say. Okay. Extraction. It should be in change mode and change it to end. Delete. Okay. Save all over again. Okay. And
preview and schedule.
Yeah, so proposal I didn't change. Hopefully all my changes are retained. Hopefully so, yes. And then fields. Whether it will again trouble me or not. Hopefully no. Load. Okay. No luck. And with our nums, it is written, but it's unable to do that. This is okay. No worries. If I proceed, this is I. Now see it is defaulting from my data source, taking it by default.
So why do we need to create the info package? Because
info package is to load your data into PSA, permanent persistent storage area. Is a means by which you need to you get your data into BW basically.
Yeah.
This gets permanently saved into the database table. I'm not very hopeful that this will work or not.
Yeah.
So data was requested. So go and check if data is loaded or not. See this?
Yep.
It is check load form. Yeah. So looks like some problem. Yeah. Today is first, right?
That's the exact same error we got earlier.
Yeah, better to delete and redo it from scratch. And please ensure that you are deleting all the subsequent downstream objects also
Yeah,
for
but
that.
we don't have to
for that
master data, Moni, right? We only have
master
to
data. You're fine, I think.
Yeah.
You did it right.
Yep.
Where is your master data?
Yeah, that's
We
not,
can.
that's
I
data
can
from
see
us.
from here.
Yeah. So we have to delete the sales data flow.
Yes, sales data you have problem.
Because that's the problem is because when you try to create a tree structure,
recreating it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It leads those inconsistencies. System is unable to refresh if you make any corrections.
So we delete
it's a limitations of the system.
So we delete the sales data flow.
If you delete, then what happens? When you delete, it deletes the underlying database table structures and everything, and it starts from scratch.
And then we have to delete the sales data DEGR051 here and then start again.
If you have already loaded, better to delete all those fresh.
Okay.
I would always say it saves a lot of time deleting and redoing. If you
Okay, we'll do it.
Problems, especially this type of, especially problems with data source and all other stuff. It is the way it is. I'm sorry. It's there are limitations of this.
Okay. All right.
Better to proceed further and delete and redo it.
Yeah. So we just have to do B2 and B5 again. B3, B4 is fine.
B is about your B4 is about your master data, which you have done, right? Or
It's
not
already done. So the problem is with B5 and problem is with B2 because in B5 I'm not able to see the structure.
That's right. That's right. So sales data part basically only the sales data.
Yeah.
Sales data part.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Can you put us in the breakout room if you are still continuing?
I think it is. I'm continuing, and you guys should be able to join automatically. I think I haven't closed the breakout room.
Yes. Thank you.
So it will remain open until I think 6 at least.
All right. Okay.
Moni, so how you check my path as I cannot load the data package on previous one?
Yeah. Now your turn, Chen Hoi.
Yeah. The one that I moved. The one that I moved.
What's wrong, Chen Hoi? So share your screen, please.
Chen Hoi that moved. The one that I moved.
No, I didn't get your point. What's that? What did you just say?
I have to zoom the one that I moved. Please let me share. The one that I moved my audio.
No, I'm not getting you, Chen Hoi. What did you mean by that?
I mean,
can you share your screen? Wait a second. Where is?
No. You see the one that I moved?
Okay. I made you co-host in both.
Okay.
Okay. Now tell me what's the problem?
Problem, sir. I cannot load it.
Which one? Sales data?
Yes, sales data.
Master data, all right?
Master, I think master is all right.
All right?
Yeah.
Okay. So sales data, I would say delete and recreate. Phrase.
Okay. What about master data?
Master data, you're fine, right?
May you check it? How do you remind?
Give me the control.
Already.
Ready? Okay. What is it?
because when I load it.
Hey Munir, are
Yeah,
you helping
yeah.
someone at the moment?
I was just Chenhoi is waiting was waiting long time. So your master data looks fine, Chenhoi.
Okay.
So for your sales data, you'll have to redo those steps. Delete and
I want you
redo.
to check again. I don't know why I cannot load the cell data.
As I told you, Chenhoi, checking and fixing the problem is very difficult. Very difficult.
There's one here. I would like you to check on here. So
1 minute. Okay. Let me leave it. I'll check it quickly as if I can.
I don't know.
Master data. All right. Sales data. E and this. What is your info package? You didn't create info package? This is your info package.
Yeah.
Okay. This is your data source. And looks okay. Okay. So your data source is all right. Okay, your data source looks okay. And then you created data flow, right? And now let's go to data flow. And
data set.
And this looks okay to me.
But the problem is that like when I go to the cell data and I maintain it, I cannot check the maintain manage. And I have seen that put it here. I think that everyone they have the data package, but for me I don't have it. You may put it here. So everyone has this data package here, but for me I don't have it.
Okay. Wait.
Munir, I was having the same problem, and then Chow helped me out, but not 100%, but a little bit. So if you can go back to the manage thing where you see 0000 records.
1 second. Yeah.
You just need to delete all of them one by one. Right click and delete. Have you activated them or not yet?
No, not yet, I
Okay,
think.
don't activate. No, don't, because once you will activate it, you won't be able to delete them. So you just need to delete all of them.
Okay.
Because they have nothing in there. Maybe it will work here. Delete them and then we will try to do that again.
I think it is all activated, so not deleting it.
It's activated, you won't be able to delete them.
Yeah. So in that case,
So my problem is I got the record for DU US, but I'm not getting the record for UE.
So now, after second, third attempt, I think, is it you're saying, right? Now, this time, after you made all the changes, right?
Yeah, because I have started, like me and Shao, we did that again. So we have done everything again. We got one records like for US, but we haven't got any record for UE.
So all activated. So that means can't be deleted. Data is loaded, and so.
But I think that I haven't get the data package in this one. I didn't see the for this one. I didn't see the data package here. Generally,
Yeah,
see everyone.
Right. Yes. Right.
Why is it?
So.
Can you right click and try to delete it? Is this option?
I tried. Tried right clicking, and only non-activated. So it's all activated, but it has no basically record. That's the worst part. That's the worst
problem
part.
with me.
Yeah, no record actually. So that's worst part, that I won't be able to reload it. So you made mistake. What mistake you made?
Could be about data package because everyone has data package.
In your data source, data store object, advanced data store object, have you linked all the dimensions and key figures with the info objects, right? Wherever it was mentioned, right? You remember? All those you must have done it already, right?
Maybe you check it for me.
This one. I meant like linking all of this. Okay, so it is 0 record loaded and not telling me what is wrong.
But there must be some way because I'm stuck there as well. So how to delete it if it's activated once? Because if it's not deleting, we won't be able to do that again because it's not allowing us to delete it.
Yeah, right. Right. It has no data.
How you make it money? Okay. What's the problem with me? I got it. No. Oh, I don't get it. Only last time you got it, but we cannot got it. Right?
Oh, so Euro, so your Germany data loaded, but US data not loaded yet.
Yeah, the same thing happened with me as well. The Germany data loaded. No, my US is loaded, but the Germany is not loaded.
Okay. This is your Chenoy, did you do it 2 times or something?
Excuse me, sir. Again, please, sir.
Did you repeat or did you redo it or something? Because I can see you have repeated things. Sales data CP actual, sales data CP actual. Did you repeat it?
But yeah, I tried to do it, sir. But I don't know, sir. Why do you? I think like the German data it can load, but why the US data it cannot load? Like when
it was not working for the first time, we have to try to do it again. So that's what
Right.
he's saying.
Right.
But because for me, what happened, because I didn't activated it, so I was able to delete it again and again. But I think he activated it. That's why he can't
Right.
delete it now.
Right. Yeah. I can delete the data. Try once. So, okay, but I'm just wondering, this is same one, is it? RB2DM1005. Okay, so all data are deleted. Now, if I go back to your data flow, and this is your sales data. And if I say now manage, but no request created. Ira?
Yes,
Ira,
Mani? Yes, Mani?
can you right click, go to your data source like this?
Yeah.
Then locate this object for your, let's say, no, go to your data flow, sorry.
Yeah.
Data flow, then locate expand this, locate the DSO, ADSO,
yeah.
and this type of symbol, right click on it, and then say delete data.
No, I have done that, Moni. So I was able to delete that, and I have created everything again. After that, I was able to download the data for DE, but not for. I was able to download data for US, but not for DE.
Okay. We'll see. But now in this case, like I have deleted everything. Now I'm trying to do it in front of
So now you just have to drag and drop, because I think it's still in HANA. So you just have to drag and drop everything there and then try to do that again.
Do you mean drag and drop from where to where? Like this part you're saying all over again?
Yes, that's right.
No, I don't think, because once this is done, this is all right. This is my active thing. Now I can
right.
anytime manage data and load data.
Yeah, so that's what happened. Yeah, because I did everything again. So I deleted everything, the whole tree, everything, and then I drag and drop from HANA everything and did everything.
Now
from
I don't have any data. Now
Yeah.
in this position,
Yeah.
I should be able to again load data.
Yeah. So now, Monir, the easiest way is if you can go back to the tree. That's what I did.
But this time it is not generating the request now. See?
Can you just go back to the tree? We can try that once. What I did, it worked for me.
Okay.
So if you can drag this sales data G, can you open that sales data GE? No, at the left hand side in the folder.
This one.
No, at the left hand side, Moni. Yes. Here. Where is the data? His data files, his data source. Go to the data source.
Data source. Okay.
Yeah. Sales data DE. Yeah, the data file.
Okay.
We just drag this file to that thing, to the transformation thing, and it just came up there.
Okay, so you're saying place it on top of it, but I should do it in change mode.
Can you just open here, just in the change mode?
Okay, and for Germany, US.
Yeah. Turn gray now, because if it's gray, then there must be something in there. It's like, can you just activate it now, like save and activate and see if there is something there? Yeah, something. You just go to the data and see if there is something there, like activate it and then see if there is something there. Manage, yeah.
Now the request itself is not getting created now.
Yeah.
After we deleted.
I think this is the hardest part. I'm working on it from last 1 week. Finally, I got one, but the other one.
Okay, I'll do one thing. Chenhai, or you Era as well. Don't delete. You still have 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I'll check at my end with my login for your objects and try to fix it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Chenhai and Era both don't delete anything. I'll check it from my login in the system. But your data file is in. Okay, I'll change the path. Maybe. Yeah. And in case I need anything, I'll send an email to you.
Okay. Can I share my screen, Monir? I just want to show you one thing, like what I'm doing.
Moni, so what can I do now, sir?
You'll have to wait for me.
Okay.
Don't do anything. It looks fine for you. Everything looks fine. I don't know. There must be a minor problem. I'll try to find out the reason. Don't delete anything. Leave it as it is. I'll check remotely in the system for all your objects, and then I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Hopefully by in a day or two. Yeah.
Can I show my screen?
Ira wants to share.
Yeah, sure. Just 1 minute.
Sure.
Can you see this?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so if I go to the tree, they both are activated here. They both are gray here, the transformation. But if I go there and go to the manage, it's showing me one record, not the other one.
Okay, but here's the actual, and underneath you have one data flow. Give me the control. Maybe for your case it is little different. Go to DTP and we'll check if you have both data or not.
You want to use something? No.
You have to do it by yourself, Madam. Okay? What is it for? This is your assessment. Wait. I'll help you.
You have Euro data, right? Only.
Yes. I know.
Put 9 balls in the net.
So you just have to put 9 balls in the net and then the question number next and the next and the next, okay?
Okay, but the charger is at 100.
Do it right. This is your test. Go to the room and do it properly.
I'm just telling you this one.
Raj, let him study. That's okay. He will get his present later, okay? Okay, leave it in Rana Bhaiya's room. Go and give it to him. You can open it by yourself.
Mommy, I forgot to count and I just came in first.
2, 3, 4, that's 4 balls. You have to put 9.
Baby, baby.
me do it again. How to do it again? It won't get deleted, Monir. Again, it's deleted. That's why. We'll find it later.
There's a paper on there.
That's okay. iPad नानू के रूम में लेके चला जाओ.
They just go on top of each other.
It's okay. You just have to put 9 balls in it. Just count 9 and put the 9 balls. Come here. This is your test. पकड़ लिए.
So now, let's say I deleted the data. I'm trying to load the data fresh, but this time now it is not generating the request. I'll have to get back to you. I'll check and get back to you. Don't worry. Don't delete this time anymore.
Okay.
Don't do anything.
Because before that, the error was duplicate thing. That error is not coming anymore.
Not
to solve
coming.
that error. So
Yeah, right. Yeah, don't delete. Don't do anything. I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Monir, we have a question.
Problems. So can I leave now, Monir? Then
Yeah, better.
Oh,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
send me an
So
email.
money. When you can fix it for us? When?
Give me a day or two. Yeah, I'll get back to you.
Because we would like to do our workshop immediately for you because
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me a day or two. I'll get back to you what mistake you made.
Tomorrow, right, sir? Or what?
No, that's okay, Monir. You take your
maybe
time. Whenever you're ready, just send us the email.
You have 2 weeks still, you can say.
Okay.
Roughly around.
So when you email to us, sir, when you're ready, please email to us, sir.
Yeah, sure. I'll as soon as I get, I'll email you.
Okay, thank Money. Okay.
But
Monir,
don't
we have
delete
a-
anything.
We have a
sure.
question, Monir.
Okay, you can leave Era now.
No problem.
Okay,
Thank
okay,
you.
thank Money.
Yeah, thanks. Bye. Yes,
Monir,
sir.
Yeah, so Rashmi, can you share your screen? We just lost our project Laura for some reason.
Yep. Yeah, so
Lost yeah.
You lost the screens, you're saying?
Yeah, on the left.
Give me the control.
051. Yeah. Hope we haven't lost the data. Good. Yep. It's all there. Yep.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try deleting those things, and yeah, we found one error. So if we just go, can you take a control, Rashmi?
Yep.
Go to data warehouse, your SAP GUI. Yep. Yep. SAP GUI. Go to data sources. Yep. And we deleted, sir, Moni, we deleted RV2 material sales data. We don't have it anymore. Now, if we want to, but in the SAP HANA, so if you go to HP Studio, yep, go there. Yep. Why it's not coming? Okay.
You should be deleting it from HANA Studio also. Data,
yeah.
or
So
else it will cause a
data,
problem, inconsistency problem again.
Okay.
So you have it sales data one object I can see.
Yeah. Can you go to
second
data
one?
flow, Rashmi?
See here.
Data
so this
flow.
one.
Go to data flow.
Yeah, this one next second one.
We need to
Data
delete
store
that.
object. Right click and delete and do it fresh from beginning. Delete. Yeah.
Okay.
So basically you should be deleting it both from GUI as well as HANA Studio.
Okay. Go
so
to
that
data
you
flow,
are
Rashmi.
Data
flow.
Sorry?
Data flow, yeah. Data flow.
Okay.
Yep.
inside data flow.
Okay, so
Check
it's
if
deleted.
you have
Okay.
you have only master data.
One. Yeah. Okay. Is there anything else we need to delete?
And I think this you have sales data. This one is sales, right?
This is ADO,
DSO.
advanced.
Better delete that as well and proceed.
Okay, so we need to delete the entire transformation.
Yes, transformation and
Okay.
DSO as well.
Can you delete that, Rashmi?
Yep.
Delete, yep. And then do we have to do the same thing in GUI?
Yeah, so some part of it you are doing it in HANA Studio. Major part of it you are doing it in GUI.
So is there anything we need to delete in GUI now?
Now in GUI, do I have mouse control?
We can go to data flow.
I see nothing. Data flow.
Yep. Yep. Nothing.
Nothing. So looks good to me now.
Yeah. Go to data sources, Rashmi. Maybe there is something in data source.
This is okay. Info objects are okay.
Yep.
Objects are okay. Source system. File. What is this?
This is integrate transformation for master data.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is transformation for master data. To my knowledge, it looks okay to me now.
Okay.
For one. Yes. Okay, so data flow, info provider, and data source. That's it. So now it should be, you should be good to go and
okay.
The process.
So are you closing breakout room and you leaving for the day? What are you doing?
I'm exhausted today.
Okay, no, that's fine.
You would like to continue, or how is it?
No, like
you guys can also collaborate among each other, among the group members via your own. I think you'll be what is it called, sandpit or something. There will be some options for you to utilize views licensed Zoom meeting.
No, we can do Zoom. That's okay. So you
can do that. Right?
You don't have anyone in the class right now, do you?
No.
Okay, all right. So you want to go? Okay, that's fine. You can go, and then we can continue in our Zoom session.
Yes.
Okay.
You can create your own Zoom.
Yep. Thanks, Moni. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks, guys. Yeah.